Hello, scholars. Welcome to our math class for today. Today we'll be completing lesson 8 of your Common Core Maths Grade 2 Module 3 workbook. We'll be focusing on your ability to count the total value of $1 bills, $10, and $100 bills up to $1,000. I hope you can do that. First, let us do a mixed counting game. We'll do this with ones, tens, and hundreds. We'll use the knowledge of what we know about counting by ones, tens, and hundreds to do this mixed counting game. I will show you a bundle to count by. When you see a bundle of 100, it means you should count by hundreds. A bundle of 10 means to count by tens. And a single stick means count by ones. So let us start at 1,000. We are going to count down. So we are counting back from 1,000. Are you ready? All right. Let's start. Now that is a bundle of 10. I want you to count from 1,000 to 940. Count with me. 990, 980, 970, 960, 950, 940. Stop. All right. Let's see if you can do more. I'll show you another bundle to count by now and count until we get to 540. That's it. That's a bundle of 100. We stopped at 940 and I want you to count down to 540. So what will it be? Count along. 840, 740, 640, 540. Good job. All right, the last bundle I will show you will tell you what to count by. Now I want you to count from 540 to 500 using tens. Let's go. 530, 520, 510, 500. Fantastic. Hope you enjoying the counting backwards from 1,000. All right. Now I'll show you another bundle. Or perhaps just a single one. Then count by what you see. I want you to count from 500 to 495. Yes, count by ones. Let's go. 499, 498, 497, 496, 495. Stop. Well done. Now, I want you to count from 495 to 465 using that bundle you see. That's tens, right? So let's go. 485, 475, 465. Good job. You're doing well in your mathematics lesson. Now, let us count from 465 to 265 using the bundle that you see. Let's go. We stopped at 465. So it's 365, 265. Good job. All right. So from 265, count by ones to 258. We stopped at 265. So 264, 263, 262, 261, 260, 259, 258. Good job. Now we stopped at 258. 258. I want you to count by tens to 168. So it will be from 268. All right, let's count. 258, 248, 238, 228, 218, 218, 208, right? 208. We'll still counting backwards. 208, 298, 288, 278, 268. Good job. I say sometimes you tend to mix the numbers up, but when you take your time, you just get it correct. To 168. That's where we are now. All right. Let's count from 168 to 160 using ones. We have 167, 166, 165, 164, 163, 162, 161, 160, 159. Oh, stop at 160. Let's come with another bundle. So we are at 160. 160. Let us come from 160 to 0 using tens. So we have 150, 140, 130, 120, 110, 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. A sound clap for yourself. You did very well. Well done. Well done. Now, let us play another game. This time, I am going to say a doubles fact. Then you tell me the answer. I will say the same word twice, give you the operation to use. Let's use addition. For example, if I say 1 plus 1, you tell me the answer. All right? So the first one, 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. All right, solve these maths quickly. Let's see if you can get them correctly. 1 plus 1, 2. You are correct. 4 plus 4, 8. Fantastic. 9 plus 9, 18. Good. 2 plus 2, 4. That is correct. 10 plus 10, 20. Good job. 8 plus 8, 16. 7 plus 7, 14. Fantastic. All right, let us do this other one. Let us play another game this way. I am going to say related facts within 20. This is what I mean. If I say 10 minus 6, you will say 6 plus 4 equals 10. So the number I am subtracting from the higher one, tell me what you add to it to get that higher number. Okay, so 10, for me to get 10, since I'm subtracting 6, I know that if I add 46, I will have 10. So if I say such a number, give me the answer. 10 minus 6, 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, let's go now. 8 minus 3, 3 plus 5 equals 8. I hope you've understood it now. That's what I want to do. Say, give me the answer that way. All right, 30 minus 7. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Correct. 11 minus 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Good job. 15 minus 9. 9 plus 6 equals 15. 12 minus 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12. 14 minus 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 20 minus 9. 9 plus 11 equals 20. Fantastic. All right, so you see, you can play around with these numbers and solve your mathematics easily. Let us look at this application problem. Let us read this problem together. Stacy has $154. She has 14 $1 bills. The rest is in $10 bills. How many $10 bills does she have? Right? So you can discuss with your partner and see how this problem is related to what we have been learning since in this model. Money comes in tens and ones, as we have been using ones and tens in our straw bundles. Money comes in that way too. It's also like the place value chart, just that you use money instead of numbers. You have 100, for example, you have 100 naira, so you have $100 bills. You have 10 naira, you have 1 naira. So you can actually relate it to all those bundles we have been using since. Okay, so how do we solve this question? We know that 14 ones is 110, one bundle of 10 plus 4 ones. That is true. And since Stacy has a total of $154, only 14 $1 bills. If we remove the 14 $1 bills from 154, we'll have $140 left. These $140 are in $10 bills. Okay, so but how many tens are in 140? 14 tens. 14 tens. So if we add our 110 that we got before plus the 14 tens, we have 15 tens. So how many $10 bills does Stacy have? It is actually 15 tens. 15 tens. And if you want to find out the ones, 154 is 15 tens, 4 ones. But we're interested in how many tens that she has. She has 15 tens. It is very easy to solve this kind of question when you think it out. Just look at it very well, think thoroughly, and you get the answer. All right? Let us count by $1 up to 124. We'll place 10 bills of each denomination. We have $100 there, $10 and $1 bills. We'll place them in the columns like the hundreds place value chart, 100, tens, ones. And then we'll do the math together. We're going to count up to $124 by $1 bills on the place value chart. Once the $1 bill is up to 10, we'll bundle it and make it a $110 bill. Once the $10 bill is up to 10, we'll bundle it and make it a $100 bill. All right, so let us count. $1 is there, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. Right, so now that we have $10, we have to bundle it and it becomes a $10 bill. You see that I've bundled it. All right, so let's count. So we now have $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $100. What would you now do to this $100 that in $10 bills? We'll bundle it and make it $100 bill. So we have $100. Remember, we're counting up to $124. Now we have $100. We have $110 now. $120. We're counting up to 124. $120, $121, $122, $123, $124. All right, so you see, you can count the money as we're using bundles account and get your fast straight. So it's similar, isn't it? Counting with bundles of straw and singles, and counting $1 note and $10 notes and $100 note. This time you may not have bundles because you have a bill that is $10 and you have a bill that's $100 too. So you may not have so many notes piled up, just a single one, but the value is there. All right, so try counting the value of the dollars you see on the screen and tell your partner the value. You have one, two, three, four, $5 bills. That will be $5, isn't it? Now they are double the number. That will be how many? Try and say the number. That will be now look at it very well. There are $10 bills there, two $10 bills, and eight $1 bills. That will be $28, isn't it? All right. Can you write that in expanded form? Two tens, eight ones. That would be very easy to do. Then look at it again. I've added another two $10 bills. So you have four $10 bills and six $1 bills. That would be $46. Try and write it in expanded form. Dollars, you can make it 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 into 6 plus 6 equal to 46. Or you can write it 40 plus 6 equals 46. Alright? So share such facts with your partner and work out more as you see on the screen. Try to see if you can tell the value of this if I increase the number of the $10 bills. What if I make all of them $10 bills? You'll have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10 bills. What would that be? All right. Okay, so try and write it in expanded form too. What if I add $100 bill and the other nine $10 bills? What will be the total value? Can you still write it in expanded form? Yeah, work with your partner and say, share your partner what you have. Okay? All right, so write no more with these figures that you say $334, change three tens to 300s. And since around $4, change the four ones to four tens. And see if you get the correct answer. I'll do the same with since around $40, change two tens to 200. Alright, enjoy solving those ones. They are really fun. But now let us go to your problem set. Your problem set, the first question, show each amount of money using 10 bills. $100, $10, and $1 bills. Whisper and write each amount of money in expanded form. Write the total value of each set of bills as a number band. Right? The first number you're given is 136. That means you have $100 bill, three $10 bills, and six $1 bills. I've solved that for you. So you see it, $100 bill, three $10 bills, and six $1 bills. That is 100 plus 30 plus 6, 136. And the number bond I've shown you which one is in the hundreds position, tens, and six. You have one bundle of 100, three tens, and six ones. That is what you're going to do with these activities. You complete them and bring your work to class. Bye.